Hey, how are you guys doing? Good? Good. Now we are moving on to hair care empties. First I have an hair oil. This is from Mother's Purge. So I finished this one up, like you can see. It's empty. I truly genuinely love this product, and a lot of you already know that because I have reviewed this one. This hair oil has a separate review on my channel. I love how it makes my hair feel. Hair looks smooth and shiny after this. I do want to give you one negative, which I probably didn't include in my review video, is that I was able to finish this bottle up in about 4 or 5 uses only. Look at my hair, they are not very long, right? And I do have quite a good volume to my hair, but I still feel like it should have been able to like give you at least 8 or 10 uses compared to other hair oils that I use, like Wow and stuff. With the same quantity, I get to use them quite often. It does not feel sticky or oily. Good thing about this is that it feels like a serum once you have applied it. It doesn't run down your temple and make you feel like chambu, right? None of that. But it also doesn't feel heavy on your head. You can wash it off with just one shampoo wash. Hair is Spa from Indus Valley. Look at this. I really genuinely like this. This is so moisturizing. This is like, you know, from the very first application itself you fall in love with this product. It is so good, so underrated. It comes in this really big jar and it lasts you for about 3.5 months depending on number of times you actually wash your hair in a week. I switched to Matrix one for a bit and then I got back to this one because I felt like this one was a bit more hydrating and bit more moisturizing, and that's why you won't see me using Matrix hair mask in my empties videos because I just never finished it. It's in my mom's bathroom now, so it just wasn't for me. You can scoop it out and leave it on your hair for like 15 minutes after your shampoo. While washing it off, you'll feel how smooth it's making your hair. Like there won't be any tangles, like while it's wet there won't be any tangles. So I would recommend to the girls who have frizzy hair, wash it off with a slight warm water and you're good. I don't think anyone is talking about this product, but trust me, my hair has gone through a color and straightening treatments and keratin and stuff like that. So many terrible things have happened to my hair. I did it to my hair, but it's really hard for me to actually find product that works for me. Most of the expensive hair products are just, you know, meh. This is still very affordable category. I think it's worth a try. Only thing I don't like about this is the smell. It smells like your, you know, pain killer balms. So yeah, I do have dry hair, not really sure how this will work for oily scalp or hair, but that's my opinion. Next up I have Matrix shampoo and conditioner combo. This is their smooth and straight ultra smoothing shea butter variant. So I got it because I had just done chemical straightening on my hair and a lot of YouTubers suggested this one to be the best after permanent straightening to keep your hair straight for long time. But like, it's not exactly the miracle product people claim it to be. It does give it does a good job at cleaning your hair without drying them out. I wouldn't mind reordering this unless I find something better. I am trying out some Ayurvedic hair care shampoos and conditioner right now, but I do feel like this is a bit better and cheaper version from what I'm using right now. So I might go back to it, but by any means this is not anything magical or mind-blowing product. Same with the conditioner. It does its job, keeps your hair smooth for a day or two. After a use, the conditioner is actually building up product on my hair. Like, you know, once they dry you can like actually feel product on your hair, like waxy kind of feeling. It's not very intense, but I feel like I feel it. Maybe it's just in my head because I've been doing research on it lately, but I have no way of actually tasting it, so I wouldn't make claim on that. But yeah, it keeps your hair smooth for day or two. Both of these were an okay products, or like not bad, you know, you get the feeling, right? Coming to last product of this video, I want to talk about hair serum. This is again from I thought this was from Matrix, but this is from Strix Professional. So I think it's a sister company of Matrix. I'm not sure, but this is from Strix, and this is, I have their Whiter Reach Gloss Hair Serum. This is quite affordable serum. This is around 200-300 range serum, and you get quite a quantity. I think this is 100 ml, and in 250 rupees, this is a good quantity you're getting. Claims to give you this glossy finish, but look, I've finished almost this up, but let me give you a textured idea of a texture. So this feels like oil, but it vanishes pretty quickly when you apply it. It does make your hair look glossy, definitely, but I don't think it actually does anything when it comes to creating a protection layer for your hair, and that's what serums are supposed to do. What it does is it makes it look good, but when you actually comb it, you can't really see any change in the tangles. And definitely don't use it before your heating or blow dry, because this will not work as a heat protection serum or spray, something like that. You definitely need a separate heat protecting product. But yeah, this will definitely not help you in that manner. For the price that you're paying for it, I think it's an okay product. It makes you look good. You can use this for an emergency if you're like out, or if you want to like sit on the camera like me, and for just for like an hour or two you want your hair to look glossy or like shiny, you can like use this. But this is what happens, like your hair gets tangled and it's like hard to use it. And I do have dry hair, so it's not totally the serum's fault, but that's what I'm trying to say. It doesn't really help with that issue. Okay, the tangles are still there. I will not buy this again. That is it for today's video. I will see you again in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, or at least found some of my tips or opinion helpful for your next purchase. Bye.